What is new sa Digity Food Bazaar? Sharing with you the newest food discovery sa pinakadako na food bazaar in Davao. Daghang bag-o na mga pagkaon na dapat tilawan. Starting with this trending na tiramisu cake with different flavors. Price starts for only 150 pesos lang. Dragon Fruit King is also available here sa DGT. They add dragon fruit sa ilang mga drinks and ice cream. I'm just happy as well because there is a new food station here selling only fish and tuna. Perfect sa mga Muslim brothers and sisters. Halo Delight is also available here na sa DGT. Their halo-halo is really good. There is also a new takoyaki from Jensen. It's big in size and it's really cheesy. Sorry kung hindi ko na videohan kung magkano. Na-carried away ako sa sobrang cheesy. Tea Haven is also available here in DGT. Dagan sila kapilian ng mga drinks. There is also this new quesadilla. Look at that. Amazing. Something new to try. Sausage with rice, why not? Very interesting. Meron din silang buldak dito na very trending. Try nyo din ang Muscovado Boba Latte. More than the food, isa din sa mga rason kung bakit favorite ng mga Dabawenyos ang DGT is dahil sa kanilang mga amenities. They have nightly entertainment at meron din silang playground for kids. Kung gustong mag-beer, meron din. You can also bring your pets with you because they are pet friendly. You can also come earlier dito sa DGT para makapag-stroll-stroll pa kayo sa newest attraction na Davao Central Park. Pwedeng tumambay, pwedeng mag-bonding with your family and your friends. Perfect din to kung gusto nyong mag-picture-picture. Look at that. Amazing. Meron na ding mga non-food items na available sa DGT Food Bazaar. Hindi lang ako sigurado kung baka pagpunta nyo doon wala na. Pero nung pumunta kasi ako, meron naman. Pero most likely, meron talaga yan. While waiting for your orders, pwede kayo munang pumili dito ng mga damit, merong mga shoes, at meron ding mga pangregalo. And they also have here customized na mga gift items. Kompleto na dyan sa DGT Food Bazaar. Pwede po mo magpa-picture kay Bite King. Pag nagutom na, kaon na ta because the highlight here is really the food. Available ang mga sikat na Davao homegrown food brands. Kompleto from ulam, pastries and drinks, snacks, tanan, everything is just here sa DGT Food Bazaar. Rain or shine po available from Thursday to Sundays. Kamu mga migog-miga, naka-add na ba mo sa DGT Food Bazaar? Kung wala pa, this is the perfect time to explore and enjoy good food. Pakitag na lang po inyong mga food trip buddies para sabay mo na mabusog ug mag-enjoy. That's our quick video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know also mga migog-miga kung asa pa ang mga food bazaar na gusto ninyo. So yun po na ako. Daghang salamat!